Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, today we will learn lesson number 9 from Madani Qaida, the letters of Leen. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What are the letters of Leen and how many letters of Leen are there? All these things we will learn in this lesson, inshallah azza wa jal. Viewers, there are two letters of Leen. One is Ya Leen and second is Waw Leen. What is Ya Leen? When there is zabar before ya sakin, then it becomes ya leen. For example, jim ya zabar jai. There is ya has sakin because ya has sakina sign on it. Ya has jazm sign. Here ya is sakin, and before ya sakin there is a zabar. So I repeat, when there is zabar before ya sakin, then it becomes or it will called ya sakin, ya leen. And what is waw leen? When there is zabar before waw sakin, it becomes waw leen. For example, jim waw zabar jaw. Here jim has sakin sign jazm on it, so it becomes waw leen. I repeat, when there is zabar before waw sakin, it becomes or it is called waw leen. How we pronounce Leen letters, and we will learn in this lesson as well. How we pronounce the letters of Leen. Pronounce the letters of Leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching nor sudden pausing. Keep remember, letters of Leen gently in an Arabic accent. We pronounce letters of Leen without stretching nor sudden pausing. For example, jim waw zabar jaw, jim ya zabar jai. There is no sudden pause and without stretching. We will do more practice in this lesson inshallah azza wa jal. Let's start our lesson. Ba waw zabar baw, ba ya zabar bay, baw bay. It is noted that there is no stretching and there is no sudden pausing in voice. Ba waw zabar baw, ba ya zabar bay, baw bay. Let's do more examples. Ta waw zabar taw, ta ya zabar tay, taw tay. Sa waw zabar thaw, sa ya zabar say, thaw say. Jim waw zabar jaw, jim ya zabar jai, jaw jai. Ha waw zabar haw, ha ya zabar hay, haw hay. Kha waw zabar khaw, kha ya zabar khay, khaw khay. Dal waw zabar daw, dal ya zabar dai, dau dai. Viewers, keep remember letters of Leen will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Zal waw zabar raw, zal ya zabar zai, raw zai. Ra waw zabar raw, ra ya zabar rai, raw rai. Za waw zabar zaw, za ya zabar zai, zaw zai. Sin waw zabar saw, sin ya zabar say, saw say. Shin waw zabar shaw, shin ya zabar shay, shaw shay. Viewers, keep remember letters of Leen will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Sad waw zabar saw, sad ya zabar say, saw say. Dad waw zabar daw, dad ya zabar day, daw day. Ta waw zabar taw, ta ya zabar tay, taw tay. Ra waw zabar raw, ra ya zabar ray, raw ray. Ain waw zabar aw, ain ya zabar ay, aw ay. Ghain waw zabar ghaw, ghain ya zabar ghay, ghaw ghay. Fa waw zabar faw, fa ya zabar fay, faw fay. Viewers, keep remember letters of Leen will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Qaf waw zabar qaw, qaf ya zabar qay, qaw qay. Kaf waw zabar kaw, kaf ya zabar kay, kaw kay. Lam waw zabar law, lam ya zabar lay, law lay. Mim waw zabar maw, mim ya zabar may, maw may. Nun waw zabar naw, nun ya zabar nay, naw nay. Viewers, keep remember letters of Leen will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Waw waw zabar waw, waw ya zabar way, waw way. Ha waw zabar haw, ha ya zabar hay, haw hay. Hamza waw zabar aw, hamza ya zabar ay, aw ay. Ya waw zabar yaw, ya zabar yay, yaw yay. That is the end of our lesson, the letters of Leen. Keep remember, I again repeat, viewers, letters of Leen will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Inshallah, in next video we will learn more lessons. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.